Hello, and thank you for joining us for this demonstration video of how to install Microsoft 365, brought to you by GCU Technical Support. To get started, please go to the URL bar in your browser and type in m365.cloud.microsoft/apps and hit enter. If you're asked to sign in, please sign in with your GCU email and password. Once you're logged into the site, please locate the Install Apps button near the top right of the page, then click Microsoft 365 Apps. You'll be brought to the Apps and Devices page. From here, click Install Office to download the installer file. If you are asked whether you want to allow downloads, select Allow. Once the file has finished downloading, open it and run it to begin your installation. An installation window will now appear stating, "Welcome to the Microsoft 365 and Office for Mac installer." Click Continue to move on to the license agreement. Once you have reviewed the license agreement, click Continue. Then select Agree in the pop-up window. Next, you will be asked to select a destination. The default destination is to install the program for all users on the device, but you can choose to only install it for specific users if needed. Select Continue. Next, you will need to confirm your installation location. We recommend leaving it on the default location. Select Install to start the installation. You may be required to enter your computer's login information before you can continue the installation. Microsoft 365 is a relatively large set of programs, so the installation may take a while to complete. Once the installation has completed, you will receive a message stating that the installation was successful. When you close this window, you will be asked if you want to move the installer file to the trash. Select Move to Trash. While you'll be able to open your apps now, you won't be able to use them without activating your Microsoft 365 license. To activate Microsoft 365, open any one of the Office apps. To open the app, click on the Launchpad and search for one of the Office programs, such as Microsoft Word. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with the privacy policy. Click Done to continue. At the top of the page, you will see a banner stating Activate Microsoft 365 to create and edit. Click Activate to bring up the login page. Please log in with your GCU email and password to activate your Microsoft 365 license. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to use your Office apps. Thank you for watching this demonstration of installing Microsoft 365. If you're still having trouble installing or activating Microsoft 365, you can contact us at GCU Technical Support for further assistance. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.